Hi. Today you will see another selection that will not leave anyone indifferent. Without a long introduction, let's go.
You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
During takeoff, the helicopter began to unwind, and that's what it led to. If someone knows the reason for this behavior of the helicopter, write about it in the comments. If you still prefer escalators to ordinary stairs, then see what their failure can lead to. At a minimum, this incident will cost dozens of broken limbs and broken internal organs. The man hit the bridge fence out of anger, but he did not expect such a chain reaction. This girl was recording yoga master classes, but someone unexpected came to her classes. Emphasize to yourself that you should not climb to elephants almost in the mouth when they eat, they do not like it. Do you still think that deer are harmless animals? Well, these shots will make you reconsider your opinion. I don't know what the iron horse didn't please Bambi, but he brought a lot of trouble to the biker, and you can hardly recover material damage from such a rowdy. If you've ever wondered why girls are always late for dates, so here's the answer for you. And after such rides, they will still have to put themselves in order, because you can't go to a meeting in the form of a floor rag. Are you tired of the mundane, and you wanted something unusual and extreme? Welcome to the water party. To be honest, this party will definitely not be frothy, but it is guaranteed to be dirty. The guys are clearly having fun. Would you dare to test your courage like these guys? In the first round, of course, the bull was defeated, but easily recouped in the second. The overhead fan fell exactly on the head of this guy. It's really a miracle that the young man was not injured in this situation. You've probably seen a lot in this life, but believe me, the next video will definitely surprise you. Yes, you were not mistaken. The man is holding not someone but a real shark in his hands. The actions of a daredevil definitely deserve your like, because not everyone is able to go voluntarily to save a shark. Now this fish will have something to tell its relatives. The client came to the bar after closing, so the waitress had to improvise. Now I'll show you something that will make you choose your parking spots more carefully. This moment looks exactly like a scene from a new movie, A Wrong Turn. Persistent acquaintances are always a little alarming. This diver has iron nerves, and he will surely find an approach even to such a giant lady. The main thing is to remain a gentleman until the last, and in no case offend such a toothy woman. It's funny and sad at the same time. It's good that no one was injured in this situation. After reviewing this video several times, I still couldn't hold back my laughter at the absurdity of what was happening. This Thai believed that the police station is the safest place in the world, but the snake did not agree with this. Fortunately, he did not lose his head and deftly dealt with her. The driver of the car in the following video apparently did not have time to slow down in front of a family of ducks to let them pass, and then got out of the car to correct his mistake. But unfortunately, the father of the family also turned out to be without brakes and heaped a lot of grief on the driver. Well, a very thorough car inspection works on this road. And if you are not ready to provide access to things yourself, then professionals will do it for you. He definitely did not expect such a betrayal. Just like that, he moved from a skateboard to a hospital bed. Or maybe the dog also wants to become a skater. If you think that your day started very badly and will continue to get even worse, then maybe this video will change your mind a little. This man's working day started really badly. And I am very interested in how he will then get out of this trap. Miniature, me and my study debts. This climber got caught in an avalanche at the most inopportune moment. No exit for your transport? Make it yourself. It's not difficult if you're driving a multi-ton truck. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and write a comment, it will greatly help the promotion. See you soon. Peace.